Hi everyone, this is Introduction to JCAATs, a Python-based CAATs. JCAATs involve many AI functions for you to do the data analytic, text mining and prediction. This is one of a series lessons on the topic of JCAATs. This module is to introduce analyze commands. In this lesson we are going to cover off stratify numeric data. So this is probably one of the most common functions that you analysis numeric data. It is just really great way of identifying patterns in your numeric data.
Let's just get started.
We are going to start from the dataset that is a sample data in JCAATs. Make sure you check out videos 1 the module project, and see what you're following along sequentially and you're able to keep pace. What we want to know is the status of the salary range in the records while they are equally divided. First, let's open the statistical reports table. Select the Stratify command from analysis menu. In the Stratify interface, it requires us to define a value in Stratify on the subtotal field, minimum and maximum values, and how we want to divide the data through the interval size, or we can custom the different size we want. In this case, we stratify the data by salary field, subtotal all the other fields, and set the interval size divided equally in 10. Depending on the result we see here, the stratification will split the salary column into 10. We could keep the subtotal fields and records to understand the salary distribution. We could deepen further based on the largest amount range.